to Math 5A, Introduction to Single Variable Calculus 1. My name is Roger Yang, and I have the honor of being the professor for this course. I'm excited to meet each and every one of you on our first class meeting on Zoom. But until then, I wanted to create this video to show you how to navigate Canvas and briefly introduce you to this course. What you see on the screen right now is the home page. This home page actually leads us to 6 different modules. The first module is an orientation module. Ideally, you would complete this before our first class meeting. Functions and graphs are the objects that we're going to be studying in this course. And limits, derivatives, and integrals are the 3 new mathematical objects we'll learn in calculus. After learning these, we'll learn applications of derivatives as well as application of integrals. If you look to the left, we have the main, these tabs are how we can navigate Canvas. Clicking on the Announcements tab will take you to the announcements for the course. Announcements are super important because that's how I communicate to the course as a whole. In fact, I think you should change the settings of your notification settings so that you are immediately notified whenever a new announcement is sent. Next, if you click on the Files tab, the Files is where you can access the blank worksheets that we'll be filling out together during our lectures. There's also a folder that has all of the homework assignments, and you can download a PDF of our free open source textbook. If you click on the Grades tab, you'll see the up-to-date grades that I have recorded for you. If you see any discrepancies, you will want to notify me as soon as possible. The syllabus for the course can be found in the eSyllabus tab. When you click on assignments, you'll see that you can access the online lecture notes for the course. That we'll be filling those out during lecture. You'll be able to find the different homework assignments that we have, and you'll have access to the different Canvas quizzes. Another way that you could access the quizzes is by clicking on the Quizzes tab. So this concludes this short video on how to navigate Canvas. I look forward to seeing you all in class during our first class meeting, and please try to complete the orientation module before that first day.